So welcome back to our 2D platformer series. At the end of this series, you will be enabled to craft your very own 2D platformer with this playtest help. So today I'm going to show you how to make your player actually jump. So let's make a jump ourselves and jump right into Unity. So in Unity, let's select our previously created character and add two new components to it. The first one being a rigid body 2D. And I'll make sure to see rigid body constraints and check freeze rotation Z. Then add a box collider 2D. And in my case, I just want to change the size of it to 1.8 and let's say 1.5. And that's already it. So let's take a look at our famous player script again. Now what we can start with today is to make a new variable. Let's public float. Let's call it jump. I'm gonna make a comment right here. Jump. Now if the player actually wants to jump, so if input.get button down, and then in brackets jump. So how does a jump look like? Well, let's access our rigid body component, get component rigid body 2D dot add force in the direction vector 2 dot up multiplied by our jump parameter, and make sure to set force mod 2D to impulse. Now let's see how this boy will actually play out. So let's select our player character again and set jump to like 8 and see what happens. Now, and as you can see, it does already work perfectly fine. Or, well, does it? Now what we don't want to forget is to actually check if the player should be able to jump at the moment. So let's declare a new function to figure that out. A public bool, let's name it is grounded. And this is a second condition, just like that. Now what I'm going to do is create a raycast hit 2D. Let's go just this one, just hit. This should be a physics 2D dot raycast. Start this one from our transform dot position. Let's give it a slight offset of new vector 2 0, and let's use a new variable for that. So public float, let's call it grounded y, and insert this guy right here. Now we want to send it into to vector 2 dot down, and the distance should be 0.1. And from what it looks like, we should have used a vector 3 at this point. Alright. If hit.collider is not equal to null, so there's indeed something in our array. And then in curved brackets, let's tell the rest of our program that we are indeed grounded. If not, well, we aren't. Now, to keep things simple for you, I'll show you as well how to, let's say on Gizmos, how to actually visualize the ray that we're emitting right here. So let's say gizmos.color equals color.red. And let's make a new array like gizmos.draw ray. And now I want to use the same one just as right there. And make sure to multiply the distance with our direction vector this time. So let's get back into Unity and see what happened. Now, as you can see, this like tiny nose right here is supposed to be our ray. So I'd like to set this one to like negative 0.8. And now let's take a look at how our final results actually look like. Now, as you can see, we're able to jump perfectly smooth. Finally, if you'd like to figure out how to add animations to your player character, like when moving or jumping, or how to add a double jump on purpose, please make sure to check out the other videos in the playlist, and I'll see you next time.